Hello, my name is Kevin Chung and my matrix number is 64122.
My name is Joseph Lim and my matrix number is 61057.
Hello, my name is Philip Mong and my matrix number is 62346.
Hi Dr. Mag, my name is Allysha Binti Abdullah and my matrix number is 63571. We are employed in an international manufacturing company based in Kuching, Sarawak. In order to remain competitive in the increasingly challenging business environment, the company's board of management has decided to introduce a new product in 2023.
My comfort zone. Maybe that's what I've been running from. I am not ashamed of all the times I failed, because so far, they haven't stopped me. On all those days when my best wasn't good enough, I used to think those were wasted mornings, but they were just steps. That's all they were. Steps. Everybody's got a wall. Mine might be around the next turn. But whoever gets up tomorrow, I can't wait to meet him.
As a group of 3 to 4 staff, we have been assigned to survey the best manufacturing planning and control processes for the sport equipment. We decided sports shoes as our new sport equipment to launch in 2023. Therefore, we chose Nike Incorporate as our survey target since it is well known in this area.
Nike Incorporate released a variety of sports shoes in the market. For example, Air Jordan, Air Max, Air Nike React, Nike Zoom, and more recent Nike Joyride. For more detailed analysis, we selected Nike Air Max as our pilot target since it performs extraordinarily in this field.
In this project, we are asked to introduce the company background, which is Nike Incorporate. We focus on analyze and select the best practices with respect to forecasting, resource planning, capacity planning, operations scheduling, and inventory control.
By comparing business processes and performance to industry best practices, we could adopt and implement best practices, including methods, techniques, procedures, strategies, and software that is for manufacturing planning and control activities.
First and foremost, let me introduce Nike Incorporate background. Nike Incorporate is an American multinational corporation that is engaged in the design, development, manufacturing, and worldwide marketing and sales of footwear, apparel, equipment, accessories, and services. The company is headquartered near Beaverton, Oregon, in the Portland metropolitan area. It is the largest supplier of athletic shoes and apparel, and it is also a major manufacturer of sports equipment. The company was founded on January 25, 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports by Bill Bowman and Phil Knight, and officially became Nike Incorporate on May 30th, 1971.
Then, Nike produced its product under its own brand, as well as Nike Golf, Air Jordan, Air Force One, MS, and others. In addition to manufacturing sportswear and equipment, the company operates retail stores under the Nike store name. Nike is very famous due to highly recognized trademarks of Just Do It and shoes logo.
Next, I would like to discuss about forecasting. Forecasting is crucial in every company policy to sustain and improve in the long-term growth. As proposed by Vanguard Software Corporation, forecasting is a decision-making tool used by many businesses to help in budgeting, planning, and estimating future growth. In simplest form, forecasting is the attempt to predict future outcomes based on past events and management insight.
There are two forecast types, which are judgment-based and quantitative. The most trustworthy forecasts combine both methods to support their strengths and mitigate their weaknesses. Nike Incorporated is using a judgment method. This type of method has been used by many companies because of lack of past data or they are launching a new product. Thus, it is suitable for Nike Incorporated that always produce new product.
The picture shows the annual income statement data. The value of net income in 2017 was 4,240 million of USD. Then the value of net income was dropped drastically to 1,933 million in 2018 of USD and increasing back to 4,029 million of USD in 2019. Therefore, this company is forecasting to have a net income of 4,700 million of USD in 2020.
Moreover, I would like to discuss more about resource planning. Resource planning is the act of allocating and utilizing resources such as people, machine, tools, rooms, and example to achieve maximum efficiency of those resources. It is very important to have resource planning because it can help in reducing wastage of resources and it helps in equal distribution of resources.
For example, the bill of material of Nike Air Max is used as an example to show the inventory record and master production schedule (MPS) of Nike sports shoes that we predicted. Bill of material is very important because it impacts the purchase of raw material, available inventory, and the process of assembly on the shop floor. The accuracy in information will help in making better decisions about manufacturing the product efficiently and cost effectively.
As we can see, Nike Air Max is made of 6 main components which are polyester, rubber, synthetic leather, cotton, EVA foam, and leather. The rubber can be used to make outsole of the Nike Air Max. Synthetic leather is used to make external surface of the Nike Air Max, and EVA foam is used to make midsole of Nike Air Max. Here is the bill of material for MPS and inventory record data method.
Not only for that, Nike Incorporation should use a resource planning software to fully utilize the resource planning process. Nike decided to implement specifically developed software for apparel and for footwear industry. The software called AFS, which was a variant of the SAP R/3. With a single instance strategy, Nike begins using SAP AFS application across all the geographies where Nike is sold. On the other hand, they also decided to choose to implement the other SAP applications, which include supply chain management (SCM) and business information warehouse, which one considered a pilot test of SAP NetWeaver platform for the near future. Supply chain management, or SCM, is the management of the entire value-added chain from the supplier to manufacturer right through to the retailer and the final customer. 3 primary goals of SCM are reducing inventory, increasing the transaction speed by exchanging data in real time, and increasing sales by implementing customer requirements more efficiently.
Capacity planning is the ability of a company to produce output within the specific time period. To identify and measure overall capacity of production, strategic capacity planning is one of the techniques we use. However, the rate of productivity of Nike Incorporated is actually depending on their forecasting corresponding to the requirement that meets the customer's demand in time. Nike Incorporated is using design capacity as their one of the measurements of capacity. This design capacity able to achieve maximum output possible as indicated by equipment manufacturer under ideal working condition. It is the best level of an operation, process, or a facility to deliver. In manufacturing, the design capacity reveals the volume of productivity with minimum cost of an average unit. The planning and control system of Nike provides a significant competitive advantage with its ability to determine, transmit, revise, and coordinate requirements through its global supply chain system, which is very competitive in nature. Nike's supply chain has a consistent and mature public policy, thereby making it sufficient and efficient in the business and the industry. Scheduling is a process of arranging, controlling, and optimizing work and workload in a production process or machinery resources. It is used to allocate plant and machinery resources, plan human resources, plan production processes, and purchase materials. Nike's scheduling approach is primarily concerned with corporate operation and the coordination of the supply chain with distribution and retail operation. In this strategic decision area of operation management, the aim is to maximize resource utilization. Besides, according to Nike Operation Management Strategies written by UK essays, Nike has implemented the concept of operation management in its operating process. Nike focuses on the lead time reduction to increase customer loyalty and market share by facilitating their company with the concept of Lean Sigma.
Nike has also gained competitive advantages from Kaizen breakthrough with the layout redesign for Lean, just-in-time JIT system, total productive maintenance, and Six Sigma management. As proposed by Wattles, inventory control is a process which sets the order policies by calculating the optimal order size under various conditions, such as stock levels, investment, order size, order timing, and so on. After the inventory control crisis during 1999, Nike implemented a new advanced inventory control system by their own with the combinations of ERP inventory control system, vendor managed inventory, VNI, and a continuous replenishment program, CRP.
An effective ERP inventory management system minimizes overhead and increases efficiency by tackling numbers of common inventory challenges. The VMI is defined as a system where the supplier decides the appropriate inventory level of each of the products and the appropriate inventory policies to maintain these levels.
The objective of CRP is to maximize product availability with a minimum of inventory and handling through the supply chain. Throughout this system, the latest inventory record can be tracked anytime.
Throughout the year of effort in continuous research and development, Nike Incorporated not only advancing in the technological field but also in the manufacturing planning and control practices. Nike Incorporated developed its own manufacturing plans by implementing a statistical system to ensure the quality of each product before it was released on the market. After analysis, we can adopt the best control practices of Nike incorporate in manufacturing planning.